How to create AI images in Messenger using Meta.ai. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to do so, you need to have the Messenger application installed on your device. Open your Messenger app, log into your account, go to the search bar in the top of the screen, and then search for Meta.ai. Go to the AI section and simply tap on Meta.ai, that is indicating assistant. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, this will open a new conversation page. Go ahead and tap on this box over here and ask anything to Meta AI, or you can also tap on any options that is displayed on the screen to have a conversation with the Meta AI. If you want to create AI images through Meta AI, you can tap on this chat bar over here, then type a description of the image, then tap on send. Meta AI will create the image and send it to you in the chat. You can also ask it to edit the image further if you want. And once the image has been created, you can tap on this save icon over here in order to save, or you can also send it to your friends, family, whoever is connected with you on Facebook Messenger application. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.